So, I, um, I had to grab the camera real quick. 'Cause I keep hearing like fucking weird ass noises coming from over here. What the fuck is that? You guys hear that? I don't know what's going on right now. I'm a little shaky. I'm gonna try and hold this camera steady. What the fuck, guys? Just keep hearing weird ass noises. Like ringing, and then dings, and banging, and everything else. I don't know. But I'll be honest with you, I'm pretty spooked out. Pretty spooked out. I'm very spooked out right now. Let's check the basement real quick here, okay? What the fuck, man? Okay, so I don't know what I keep hearing, but it is scaring the shit out of me, so I'm just gonna go to bed. Like, seriously, screw this. I'm not sticking around. Not hanging around. And this is just one time, guys. This is all the time this is happening. All the time this shit's happening. I don't know. I don't know, man. Look at the look. And just so you guys understand what time of the day it is is 1:30 a.m. 1:30 in the morning. Ain't nobody out doing anything. Ain't nobody up running around like spooky shit around here, guys. I'll tell you what. Never freaking ends. Not just around Halloween time. It's all year long. God, guys, I just fucking heard something. Hold on. And of course, now it's gonna be fucking silent. I heard some really weird ass sounds coming from over here in the bathroom. What the fuck? There was these really weird loud ass sounds coming from here. It's so quiet now, I don't hear anything. Fucking waste of time. I was just in here. I ran to my room to grab my camera. I was just in the bathroom. Okay, I was inside. Hearing these really weird ass sounds like scruffling or like banging. I don't even know, dude. It was fucking freaky. Just things that I don't normally hear in this house. That was a new sound. That was something different. I don't know what in the hell that was. But what the fuck? Oh. No, what the fuck was that? But I'm especially spooked out right now. I don't feel right. I don't feel okay right now. I have goosebumps all over my body, and I feel like I need to stand very. I'm not even joking. Look at this, guys. Look at these goosebumps all over my arms, all over, and I'm fucking shaking here. I'm not playing you. I keep getting the sensation of someone standing behind me. All over both arms. Look at all over my arms are just goosebumps, guys. I feel weight, pressure right here. Not like on my shoulders, but just my body in general. Like you know how sometimes you can just sense when someone is near you. That is how I feel right now. I'm not even messing with you guys right now. I swear to God, I'm gonna turn this light on. I swear to God, I'm not even messing with you guys right now. Like, this is legit. This is not filming some kind of fake series or fake content. This is real. This is legit. And I wish I can get that sound again that I heard in the that I heard up here. And the weather's been really weird the past few days. It's been abnormally warm. Like, it feels like it did the first couple weeks of October. It went from like warm to freezing cold back to warm. It's been super windy too. It's not usually windy around November. The only time that we ever get a lot of wind is in the middle of the summer with thunderstorms and stuff. This is just a weird spot to stand in because I keep hearing weird sounds every time I stand in this fucking spot right here. I lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. The summertime with thunderstorms, we would get a lot of wind, and in the middle of the winter sometimes we'll get like a blizzard, but that's kind of rare. Oh my God, do you guys not hear that? We'll get right over here, maybe closer to the window. Probably can't even hear it. The wind is making the craziest sound right now, dude. It sounds like the freaking... It just sounds like it's like... Like it's like making like a whistle almost. I swear I heard the noises coming from the bathroom again for a moment there. I don't know. I'm just trying to be a little bit quiet now. Alright, maybe I actually do need to get some sleep. I don't know if I'm actually experiencing this or if I'm just losing my mind, but we'll find out when I go back through this footage here. Hopefully this is something that can be uploaded. It's not just boring. Hopefully I actually captured some noise, because I never know what this mic is gonna pick up on this camera. Sometimes, you know, you can be near something and the audio is not that great, or I can pick like a TV up in the next room or something real easily. It's just so weird. But sometimes you don't know what you're gonna pick up. Alright, I'm gonna try and actually get some sleep now, because it is like 2 o'clock in the morning, and just to prove that to you guys, boom, right there. 2 a.m. Alright guys, good night. Hopefully I could pick this camera up on a better note. Holy shit guys, it is like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna stand on this stool right here. Hopefully nobody can see me, because they could see me playing this day right now. But it is fucking storming like a motherfucker outside right now, guys. Holy shit. I know you really can't even see much, but I can guarantee you this is like something that you would experience in the middle of the summer. Holy shit, guys. Do you hear this? Let me open this up. Oh my God, okay. Yeah. No, it is storming pretty hard right now. Jesus Christ. Oh fuck, my camera's getting wet. My camera's getting wet. Oh. Nope, I'm not getting my camera soaked. Ah, but shit. I'll clean this up. Damn, I literally just got water all over my camera. This thing's like way too expensive to be getting it wet. There, look at it, nice and clean. So yeah, I just wanted to capture this because it is storming like a hurricane storm in the middle of November in Pennsylvania. Jesus Christ. Holy fuck, guys. Holy fuck here. I don't know what's going on out here. Holy shit. Yo, there is shit going on outside right now. What the fuck? I don't even know if you guys can see that. Fucking ambulances and cops and shit. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Shit's not cool, man. Shit's not cool. I really don't know what the fuck is going on out there. That's fucking weird. They're not normally here. Holy shit, bro. What the hell, guys? I'm trying to sit here and watch some McJugger Nuggets and the internet's going out. What the fuck kind of bullshit is this? I gotta go restart the damn router. Let's go restart that shit. What the fuck? Okay, let's restart this. Alright, gonna have to give that a little bit of time. Need to get this damn light on. I'm gonna shut this door here. Okay. So it's been a very weird couple of days, guys. I can't really explain this. I know this vlog is, again, like the other ones, is kind of all over. I guess that's just how my filming style is going to be. But it's been a really weird couple of days, like from the noises that I've heard in this room over here to the internet just randomly going out, and you guys seeing the police and ambulance footage. I don't know what the frig's been going on lately. Oh, and fun fact, I'm so surprised that my camera here is still working. I was editing a video, and I had the micro USB cord still plugged into my camera, and I forgot about it. So I went to go pick it up to film something. I grab it and start walking with it, and the camera completely falls out of my hands and lands on the ground. I'm thinking to myself, Jesus fucking Christ, like, almost broke my damn camera, guys, but you know, we're good. We're still good out here. I gotta go see if that issue's been resolved with the internet. Going to restart. Hopefully this loads up. I told you. Good, we're good, guys. We're loaded up. And just for you guys that do watch McJugger Nuggets, I am completely rewatching the entire Psycho series. Because why the hell not? What's that you say? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Go outside? Let's go. Let's go. Go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go outside. I know you gotta pee. It's cold as frick out here right now. Go on. Oh my god. Guys, it is freezing right now. It smells good out here though. Kind of smells like laundry. Clean laundry, fresh linen. Let's go. Back in the damn house because it is fucking frigid. Guys, we're literally expecting snow. Getting pretty snow out here pretty soon. That's crazy to think. It's really crazy to think. I know what you want. I know what you want. She's after one of these bad boys right here. Yes, yes. The bones. Oh, this dog loves this shit. God. get her to do a trick for her. You ready? Sit. Sit. Go ahead and sit. Sit. Good girl. Wait, no, sit. Sit back down. Catch. Oh, she normally gets it. I was looking through the screen, so maybe my aim was off a bit. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter, guys. I'm gonna get demonetized anyway. Age restricted. All is well, guys. It doesn't even matter. YouTube's gonna age restrict me, demonetize my videos no matter what I do, no matter what I put in them. They're pretty serious nowadays, which is why I want you guys to hit that post notification bell down below. That'll notify you guys every time that I upload videos. Hopefully. I know I stress this in like every video I talk about. Hitting that post notification bell, hit the post notification bell, hit the subscribe button. Because YouTube, they pick and choose who they want to blow up. They know where the money's going to come in from. They know, what's appropriate, what's family friendly. And honestly, I think a kids section of YouTube and a 18 plus version of YouTube should be two totally separate things, yes. But it's gotten a little out of hand now. Come on. Us creators, we can't really create the way that we want to when our notifications are not being sent out, when people aren't even able to watch our videos, our content. We're out here creating stuff and YouTube's destroying that on us. So there's always that. It's been fun. It's been a real blast. Anyway, guys, end of rant. I'm done bitching and complaining. But drop a like on the video if you did enjoy it. My social media is listed down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. I'd really appreciate that. Again, post notifications, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.